For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. Palantir Technologies has experienced remarkable growth recently, as its stock price has surged by an impressive 123% over the past 12 months. Not only that, but the stock has also seen a significant increase of 35% over the past 30 days alone. However, despite this impressive upward momentum, it appears that the stock is entering a phase of consolidation, as we anticipated in a piece from mid-September. This type of consolidation is quite normal, and is often viewed as a healthy and necessary pause in an upward trend, allowing the stock to stabilize before potentially continuing its ascent. In that same September timeframe, Perez Mora, who is widely regarded as one of the top 5-star analysts according to TipRanks, added Palantir to her firm's US 1 list, a curated list of top stock picks, and raised her price target for the stock from $30 to $50. This was a notable increase and signaled strong confidence in Palantir's future potential. Perez Mora's reputation goes beyond just being a 5-star analyst. She's considered one of the top 5-star analysts on the platform, which is why she is often described as elite. Her bullish outlook on Palantir came just a few days before the company was officially added to the prestigious S&P 500 index. Another notable development during this period involved Palantir's chairman, Peter Thiel, who sold more than $600 million worth of Palantir stock, which translates to roughly 16 million shares of common stock. While this may have raised some eyebrows, it wasn't entirely surprising given the significant gains the stock has posted over the past year. Thiel's sales were pre-planned and in line with previous disclosures, bringing his total sales for 2024 to over $1 billion. Despite these sales, it's important to note that Thiel has not sold any of his voting shares, meaning he still retains a significant amount of control over the company. He, along with board member Stephen Cohen and CEO Alex Karp, continues to maintain control of the company through their voting shares. Palantir has also been making strategic moves on the business front, securing a multi-year, multi-million-dollar agreement with APA Corporation, formerly known as Apache Oil. This extension of their enterprise deal further solidifies Palantir's position as a trusted partner in the energy sector. Additionally, the company has been receiving continued support from well-known analysts like Dan Ives from Wedbush. Ives, who is rated as a 3-star analyst by TipRanks, has been one of Palantir's most vocal supporters. In a recent report, he reiterated his buy rating for Palantir stock, while raising his price target from $38 to $45. Ives remains confident in the company's ability to capitalize on its growing presence in the artificial intelligence sector. Speaking of artificial intelligence, Palantir has been making waves in this rapidly expanding field. Earlier this week, the company unveiled a new product called Live Edge. Developed in partnership with EdgeScale Artificial Intelligence, a company that specializes in virtual cloud networks. Unlike the more commonly discussed language-based artificial intelligence platforms that dominate headlines, Live Edge focuses on enhancing artificial intelligence capabilities in physical systems. This is a crucial distinction, as Palantir is targeting sectors such as manufacturing, utilities, and other complex industrial industries where physical systems play a critical role. One example of Live Edge's potential application is in directing robots to carry out specific instructions based on real-time data. This product represents a significant step forward in applying artificial intelligence to physical systems, making it a valuable tool for industries that rely heavily on interconnected devices and machines. Northland's Michael Lattimore, an analyst who ranks in the top 3% of Wall Street stock professionals, has praised Live Edge for its groundbreaking approach. Lattimore notes that for the first time in the industry, Live Edge allows for the large-scale delivery of artificial intelligence that is directly applied to systems of action. This is a major advancement, as it enables companies to deploy artificial intelligence solutions that can interact with and control physical devices at scale. Lattimore also highlighted that Palantir has a long history of success with clients who operate vast networks of connected devices, particularly in industrial sectors and the military. These clients are often underinvested in digital technologies, and Palantir's operating system serves as a catalyst for their digital transformation. One of the key advantages of Palantir's platform is its ability to gather data from end devices, such as sensors on pipelines, drones, or other equipment, and integrate that data with other information technology systems, often older legacy systems that many companies still rely on. Lattimore believes that Live Edge will further enhance Palantir's ability to win new clients, especially in industries that operate physical systems. This could lead to numerous upselling opportunities after the initial deployment of the system, as companies look to expand their use of Palantir's solutions. Despite all of these positive developments, Lattimore remains cautious cautious about Palantir stock in the near term. He currently has a neutral rating on the stock, with a price target of $35. This suggests that Lattimore expects the stock to decline by 8.5% over the next year. Interestingly, Lattimore's outlook is actually more optimistic than the broader Wall Street consensus. The average price target for Palantir shares among analysts is $27.67, which implies a potential decline of 28.5% over the next 12 months. The consensus among analysts is that Palantir is a hold, with 6 analysts recommending hold, 6 advising sell, and only 4 maintaining a buy rating. This suggests that sentiment around Palantir is improving, even if some analysts believe the stock is due for a pullback. For investors, it might be wise to wait for a more attractive entry point, but the long-term outlook for Palantir remains promising as the company continues to expand its presence in the artificial intelligence and big data sectors. In the end, Palantir stock has soared 123% over the past year and 35% in the last 30 days, but it now appears to be entering a healthy consolidation phase. Bank of America's top analyst Mariana Perez Mora added Palantir to her US 1 list and raised the price target from $30 to $50 before the stock joined the S&P 500. Meanwhile, Peter Thiel sold over $600 million in stock this year, but retained his voting shares. Palantir also extended a multi-year deal with APA Corporation, and Wedbush's Dan Ives raised his price target from $38 to $45. Additionally, the company launched Live Edge, an artificial intelligence tool for physical systems, developed with edge-scale artificial intelligence. Northland's Michael Lattimore praised Live Edge for its innovative approach, which should help Palantir attract new clients. Despite positive news, Lattimore rated the stock as neutral, with a price target of $35, signaling a potential decline. The average Wall Street price target suggests a further drop, with most analysts holding a cautious view on Palantir's current valuation. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.